So what's up guys, and welcome to another video. As we all know, the Ethereum merge has been done, the proof of stake has been done. So for those of you who don't understand what the Ethereum merge is all about, the proof of work is all about, and the proof of stake, normally proof of work was there, this is the proof of stake. In order for you to do anything on the Ethereum network, you have to be a Ethereum shareholder, and the amount of Ethereum you hold determines if Ethereum will call you to be their miner. We know the duty of a miner. The miner are the people in charge of confirming transaction. So when you do a transaction on the blockchain, somebody is always there to confirm the transaction, which is the miner, and the miner keeps the transaction fee to himself. The miner confirms the transaction and keep the transaction fee to himself. So in order for you to do anything on the blockchain network now, on the Ethereum network now, you have to be a Ethereum stakeholder. You have to have a huge amount of Ethereum in order for you to do anything with Ethereum now. So it's perfect, it's looking good, but like I said, that might also affect the market. From this point we're seeing here, there will be a very sharp drop. There will be a very sharp drop. Maybe it has happened already, I don't know, but I believe there will be a very sharp drop from this point here. I believe there will be a very sharp drop because a lot has to correspond. A lot has to correspond. There will be a very sharp drop from this point here. Also from this point here, there will be a very sharp drop. And if that sharp drop happens with the news that is currently in place, you know, Binance is in Paris and Ethereum merge has just taking place. You know, there's a lot of bullish news already in the market, so I believe there will be a very sharp drop, but the sharp drop will not be that massive. I'm looking forward to enter the market from maybe 19,800 if it drops down that low. But if this test here is broken, you know, this bounce back that is happening up here, if it break this point here, if this bounce back happen to break this point, which has been a very strong resistance to Bitcoin, if it happens to break, that means we'll be going as high as 2,800. 2,800 is 100% secured for the market. If it should break, that means we'll be going as high as 2,800. If this point here should break, this is where we want to break. You could see, and if this point here should break also, we know what is going to happen. We're going to drop down to 19,800. That is where we're going to be heading to. 19,800 is where we are heading to. If this point there should break, but I believe with all the news in the market today, I believe we're going to a uptrend, but before that will happen, the downtrend has to break out first. The downtrend has to break out first. Before that will happen, I believe the downtrend has to break out first. That is what I think. I don't know, maybe a lot of experts might see something different in the market, but for me this morning, that is what I've seen, because I'm looking forward to enter the trade from that point that I've told you guys there. It's looking sharp, but I believe I should be entering my trade from that particular area there. I believe I should be entering my trade from that particular area there. So guys, please do well to leave a thumb up on the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel to enable us make more video, will be monetized. So I'm so happy for you guys, your effort, all you've tried. You guys have been amazing to us. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. And guys, keep an eye on BNB. Let me show you guys BNB chart. BNB is looking so sharp, or maybe it's because the company is in Paris, and you know Paris has a lot of investors, but BNB is looking sharp. To me, if anybody is going into BNB, I would just advise you go into BNB and sleep. BNB is looking very sharp. There will be a very huge pump in BNB any moment from now. So let's take a good look at the BNB chart before we look at the total market cap, or look at the Ethereum chart as well. The BNB chart is looking nice, guys. I believe if we should drop low to $270. I believe that would be a very good entry point, because that point has been done already here. If you can see this point here, this candle, that this particular candle that fell here before this one rises, I believe this was a good entering point for BNB, for those of you that will be trading BNB at $270. That was a good entering point. So if you have taken this trade from here, it's good for me, because I believe in no time BNB should be up to $300 in no time. Before the end of today, BNB should be up to $300 or tomorrow. So I believe this point here is a good entering point for those of you that want to trade BNB. The chart is looking good. If you look at the MACD, it's giving us a weak sell, which we know what that means. A weak sell, probably we should be in a huge buy any moment from now. And also for BNB right here, sorry, for ETH right here, for Ethereum right here, we could see the chart is not looking funny at all. The chart is not looking funny, and let's be informed that over 2.9 billion has been sold as soon as the merge was done. So I believe that is what is making this market look more dumb to us. That's what is making this market look more dumb to us. Imagine 2.9 billion leaving the market already after the merge. So the market might still hold itself at this point of $1,500. But if you should break, guys, I believe every chart we have analyzed here will come up until we hit our target of $1,400. That is what Ethereum is going to hold for us. But if we should break up, Ethereum should be coming back to $1,700 in no time. In no time, Ethereum should be coming back to $1,700. We've really lost a lot in the market, guys. We have really lost a lot in the market. But to me, I see the market is looking bullish. Believe me, I see the market is looking bullish to me. That's what I've seen here already. The market is looking bullish to me, because this was the rising wage. This was the rising wage that we experienced before the downtrend came up, before this downtrend shoot out. This was the rising trend. So this market is trying to gain its position from here before we'll be on a very huge uptrend coming soon. So guys, that is what I have to say about the market. See you guys in our next video, and make sure to leave a thumb up on this video. Help us subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you guys, and see you in our next video.